In parts of Uganda, children can experience dozens of malaria infections by the time they reach adolescence. Each episode brings the risk of severe illness or even death. So how do some children survive? In a new study, Stanford medicine researchers looked to the immune system's ability to remember past infections for the answer. And they discovered new insights around how it works. Insights that could have implications for people worldwide. Doctors Jason Nidifer, Prasanna Jagannathan, and Maria Grazia Roncarolo, in close collaboration with Ugandan researchers, studied an important population of immune cells, called T cells, in the blood of Ugandan children that contracted malaria. For the first time, they were able to track individual T cell clones through repeated infections to understand exactly how immunological memories form after an initial infection.
Immune memory is the body's ability to recognize something that it's seen before, a pathogen or an infection, say malaria. So the first time you get malaria, your body's never seen it before, and that's typically going to be the worst. You're more likely to have severe illness and more likely to potentially even die. But if you've had malaria many times before, your body has learned how to respond to malaria, and so you're much less likely to get sick.
The team discovered that nearly 90% of malaria-specific T cells belonged to a little studied group called TR1 cells. These aren't your standard fighters. Instead of attacking the malaria parasite, TR1 cells regulate the immune system's response, preventing it from overreacting. That's vital, because in malaria, it's often the body's own inflammation, not the parasite itself, that leads to severe disease. This immune braking system may explain how some children withstand constant exposure without getting dangerously ill. Rather than trying to prevent infection completely, their bodies learn to manage it. That insight charts a path to a new kind of vaccine, one that trains the immune system to stay calm in the face of malaria.
The idea with a vaccine that doesn't prevent infection but that prevents disease is that you will keep getting infected, and that's okay. That will almost boost your immunity. But because you have these TR1 cells that will prevent you from getting sick, that's what's going to save your life.
This study marks the first time scientists have observed human immune memory in this level of detail. For the millions of children at risk of malaria each year, this research offers more than just knowledge. It offers hope. And the implications go far beyond malaria. By understanding how to promote protective immune regulation instead of overreaction, we can envision a future with smarter, longer-lasting vaccines for other diseases too.
The preceding program is copyrighted by the Board of Trustees of the Leland Stanford Junior University. Please visit us at med.stanford.edu.